Understanding chemical bonding and the structure of matter. Everything around us, from the air we breathe to the ground we walk on, is made of matter. But have you ever wondered what makes matter? In this section, we'll uncover how tiny particles called atoms come together to form everything we see, touch, and use. Matter is composed of atoms, the smallest units of elements. How these atoms interact and combine determines the substance's properties. Understanding this process is key to unlocking the science behind the materials that make up our world. There are three main types of chemical bonds: ionic, covalent, and metallic. Each type forms through a unique process of sharing or transferring electrons, producing structures that define the physical and chemical properties of materials. Ionic bonds occur when one atom transfers its electrons to another. This exchange creates ions, atoms with positive or negative charges. These oppositely charged ions attract each other, forming strong bonds found in substances like table salt. For instance, sodium donates an electron to chlorine, resulting in sodium chloride, NaCl. This give and take forms a bond that makes ionic compounds brittle yet crystalline. Imagine atoms sharing electrons to form a strong connection. That's a covalent bond. These bonds happen between non-metal atoms and are the reason behind molecules like water, HO, and oxygen, O. Covalent bonds generate substances with varying properties. Water is liquid, but diamond, a structure of carbon atoms covalently bonded, boasts incredible hardness. This versatility showcases the beauty of chemistry. Ever wondered why metals are shiny, malleable, and good conductors of heat and electricity? Metallic bonds are the secret. Here, positively charged metal ions are surrounded by a sea of free-flowing electrons. This setup enables conductivity and flexibility, properties useful in everything from construction to electronics. Without metallic bonds, life as we know it would lack technological advancements. Chemical bonding determines the structure of matter, influencing how substances behave. Solids, liquids, and gases all depend on the arrangement of their particles and the bonds that hold them together. For example, tightly packed particles in solids give them rigidity, while loosely bonded particles in gases allow them to flow freely. Molecules' arrangement and movement define the states of matter we observe daily. Understanding chemical bonding and matter's structure isn't just about science, it connects us to the world. From the clothes we wear to the food we eat, bonds and structures influence everything. Chemistry also drives technological progress, from creating sustainable materials to developing medicines that save lives. Learning these concepts helps us appreciate both the mundane and the extraordinary in life. Now that you've learned the basics of chemical bonding and the structure of matter, the world of chemistry awaits you. Keep exploring how particles interact, experiment with materials, and ask questions. Dive deeper into this fascinating subject to develop a stronger connection with the world around you. Remember, understanding science today can spark solutions for a better tomorrow. What will you explore next?